You know that feeling when you've spent hours consuming content, podcast, videos, courses, but you're still seeing zero actual results? It's frustrating. Most of us want the results, but we just don't have a clear path. We struggle with consistency, we lack structure, and trying to do it all alone is tough. That's exactly why Victory with Ash was created. It's a 100% free learning platform built to give you the structure, mentorship, and accountability you actually need to succeed. No fluff, just real skill development. If you're ready to find your clear path and actually get results, reach out to me, Bill Must, today. Just send me a direct message and I'll get you the link to join the community. That's Victory with Ash. Stop consuming, start achieving. If you want part of this, my email is below.
Stop scrolling, start rolling. Let's go. Oh yeah, yeah. Stop scrolling, start rolling. Let's go. You watch all the videos, listen to the streams, chasing the results in the digital dreams. But hours of content leave you right where you stand. Zero actual results, no clear path in your hand. You're struggling with consistency, lacking the guide. Going it alone is a bumpy old ride. You want the destination, but you're stuck in the maze. It's time to break out, it's time to level up your days. Welcome to Victory, Victory with Ash. We're cutting the fluff, we're in a different class. 100% free, giving you the tools, structure and mentorship. That's the golden rule. Accountability to help you believe. Stop consuming the content, start achieving. If you're ready to find your clear path today, I'm Bill Must and I'm here to show you the way. Just send me a DM, a quick little text. I'll send you the link to see what is next. To join the community, step in the ring. Victory with Ash is the place to begin. 100% free, no fluff, just the skills you need to see. I'm Bill Must, send a message, let's get to the screen.